how you can add a drop shadow effect in Figma. So for example, if you are creating a button in Figma, you can add shadow effect. So let me real quick create a button. So for example, like this, I'm gonna add some radius to corners. Now we want to add shadow effect. So make sure that object is clicked and scroll down, and here you'll find section effects. Click on plus and it's gonna add you the drop shadow effect. You can click on it and here you can choose another effect. So this is the drop shadow, and as you can see in your shape or in your effect, here is the drop shadow. You can also choose, for example, inner shadow, and it's inside of that button, or you can add both if you want to. So this was how you can add drop shadow to object in Figma. If you have any questions, leave a comment and see you next time.